to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam, and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make calzones. Calzone, guys, pepperoni pizza style calzones. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, made from scratch, take a look around, guys. I've got a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Now let's get busy. Okay guys, let's go over our ingredients. I have some pre-made pizza dough here. I am going to be using a vodka sauce, guys. Guys, I have cheese here. It's shredded up. This is mozzarella, asiago, parmesan, and some provolone, guys. Like green pepper, onion, and of course, we have our pepperonis. You're going to need a little flour for dusting as well. So we're just going to get in here and get all of our veggies cut up. Then we're going to saute them. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're going to take a half an onion and slice it nice and thin. Same thing with our green pepper. Then, guys, we're going to add a little olive oil to our skillet, make it nice and hot. Then we're going to throw in our onions, add the green peppers, and saute them just until they're fork tender. We want to keep a little bite to our veggies. Okay, guys, they are all done now. Remove them from the skillet and set aside. Okay, guys, dust your surface. Make sure it's nice and clean. Then take your dough ball and make sure it's nice and floured. We're just going to roll it out, to about an 8-inch circle or so. Dust it on both sides, flip it over, make sure it's nice and flat. Okay, guys, it's time to add our toppings. A little sauce first. And guys, with calzones, little sauce goes a long way. Then we're going to add on top of there our pepperonis or whatever meat that you're using. Put that on top next. Now we're going to go in with some cheese. Lots of cheese or cheese to your liking. Then we're going to add just a little bit more sauce on top of the cheese. All right, guys, and from here it's time to add our veggies. Put your peppers and your onions on there, as much or as little as you like. Now we're going to go in again with more cheese, and more cheese. Now add just a few more pepperonis on top of that cheese, guys. Oh my goodness, if you could just smell it. Put just a dab bit more of sauce. Now you know we've got to add just a little bit more cheese on top of this. Oh my goodness. Now guys, take the other half, fold it over, and pinch it together so that you can securely tighten it. We don't want anything oozing out. If we can keep it from oozing out, we need to seal this dough. Just go around and press firmly with your hands, then turn the edge up towards the actual calzone. Tuck it in just a little bit all the way around. We're securing our filling at this point. Now we want to go in and tuck it just a little bit more. Just use your fingers and go all around, tucking it nice and neat. Okay, guys. Then we're going to put just a little bit of flour on our spatula so we can easily lift this up. Lift it up, put it on your prepared pan. Now all I have over here is just some parchment paper on a cookie sheet. Now guys, we're going to repeat this process a few more times and I'll be back. Okay guys, they are all made and we're going to put them in a 400-degree oven until they start to brown. Okay guys, taking them out, now we're going to brush them with a little mixture of butter and olive oil. We're going to be topping them with some of our cheese and sauce, then back into the oven. Okay, guys, we are all done with our pepperoni pizza calzones. Yes, don't they look amazing? Okay, guys, it is time for me to cut this and our taste test. Cut it right down the middle so you can see the inside, guys. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell this. Yes, guys, take a look, take a look. Okay, guys, we are all done. Isn't this amazing? Yes. Oh my goodness. And it is piping hot. So we're going to go ahead and give it a taste test. This is delicious. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Chef and More. Okay, guys, I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.